Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. In this video, I will explain about quadrilaterals, which is this part of plane geometry. But before we continue this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Jupita Saputri, name K1323043 from class B, part of Mathematic of Education. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane figure that has four sides or edges and also has four corners or vertices. The angles are present at the four vertices or corners of the quadrilateral. Interior angles that add to 360 degrees. There are 6 topics will be discussed in this video. First, parallelogram, and then rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, pipe. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. Properties of parallelogram. 1. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. 2. The opposite angles are equal. 3. The consecutive or adjacent angles are supplementary. 4. If any one of the angles is a right angle, then all the other angles will be at right angle. 5. The two diagonals bisect each other. 6. Each diagonal bisects the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. And then the last, the sum of the square of all the sides of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. It is also called parallelogram law. After parallelogram, there is a rectangle. What is rectangle? In Indonesian, we call rectangle is persegi panjang. A rectangle is a type of quadrilateral that has its parallel sides equal to each other and all the four vertices are equal to 90 degrees. Properties of rectangle. First, it has four sides and four vertices. And then each vertex has angle equal to 90 degrees. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. The diagonal bisects each other, and perimeter is equal to twice of sum of its length and breadth. And then area is equal to product of its length and breadth. It's a parallelogram with four right angles. And the last, sum of all interior angles equal to 360 degrees. Next is about square. Square in Indonesian we call it persegi. Square is a regular quadrilateral which has all the four sides of equal length and all four angles are also equal. Properties of square. 1. All four interior angles are equal to 90 degrees. And all four sides of the square are congruent or equal to each other. The opposite sides of the square are parallel to each other. 4. The diagonals of the square bisect each other at 90 degrees. And the two diagonals of the square are equal to each other. The square has four vertices and four sides. The diagonal of the square divided into two similar isosceles triangles. The length of diagonals is greater than the sides of the square. Rhombus. A rhombus is a special case of parallelogram. In a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and the opposite angles are equal. Properties of rhombus. All sides of the rhombus are equal. 2. The opposite sides of the rhombus are parallel. 3. Opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. 4. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. 5. Diagonals bisect the angles of a rhombus. 6. The sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Next, kite. Kite is a quadrilateral shape with two pairs of adjacent or touching, congruent, or equal length sides. Properties of kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two diagonals intersect each other at right angles. The kite is symmetrical about the longer diagonal. The longer diagonal bisects the shorter diagonal. The angles opposite to the main diagonal are equal. The kite is split into two isosceles triangles by the shorter diagonal. For the last, there is trapezium. The trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel opposite sides. The parallel sides of a trapezium are called bases, and the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are called planes. Types of trapezium. The trapezium is categorized into three types. First, there is isosceles trapezium. Second, scalene trapezium. The last is right trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. If the lengths or the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are of equal length, then it is called an isosceles trapezium. Scalene trapezium. A trapezium with all the sides and angles of different measures is called a scalene trapezium. Right trapezium. A right trapezium is a trapezium that has at least two right angles adjacent to each other. Thanks for your attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.